Benefit number 4, put your tax money aside. My dad used to have this weird love of tax time. He would wait until the last minute, and then he got this enjoyment out of hanging out at the post office at about 11:45 p.m. on April 15th with all the other procrastinators. It was some sort of funny bonding experience, I guess. Then my mom took the tax responsibility away from him because that made her crazy, the never knowing if they were going to owe a bunch of money or if the taxes would even get done. Most people think that tax time has to be this awful, stressful time and that there's just no other way. I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. With Profit First, you can have your tax money set aside so that when tax time comes, you don't have to stress about whether you have the money or not. I always tell people that it doesn't mean you have to like paying your taxes, and that it doesn't mean that you don't do everything legally possible to pay the least amount in taxes as you can, but there's no reason why you need to stress about taxes. With Profit First, your tax money is set aside throughout the year based on your current year's income, not last year's income. The way the typical estimated tax payment system is structured is to base your payments on last year's income, which may or may not reflect how this year went, and you run the risk of either paying too little or too much. With Profit First, by basing your tax payments on the current year's income, you don't have to worry about not paying in enough. You also don't have to worry about where you will get the money to pay your taxes because it's already set aside. And if there's a little extra left in your tax account, you just got a bonus. Tax time for you just became bonus time for you. Now, you still want to go and hang out at the post office at 11:45 p.m. on April 15th. Be my guest, but know that you will be there not stressed, just to watch all those other people that are.